In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Kreo using Google Chrome. Let's get started right from your desktop. Open Google Chrome so we're all on the same page. In the address bar at the top, type Kreo.net and press enter. This takes you to Kreo's homepage where we'll sign in and access your project files. On the homepage, click Log In. You'll see the sign-in form. Enter the email associated with your Kreo account and your password, then click Log In. Give it a moment to authenticate. If you're using a work device or a shared computer, make sure your browser isn't saving passwords automatically unless that's approved by your organization. Once you're in, you'll see your list of projects. Click your project name to open it. If you work across multiple projects, double check that you've opened the correct one so you share the right materials with the right audience. Inside the project workspace, look for the area where files are stored. Depending on your layout, this may be labeled Files or Project Files. Both lead to the same place where your documents, drawings, or exports live. Click that to view your file library. Now select the file or files you want to share. You can click a single file to highlight it. If you need to select multiple files, you can click each one individually. Before you move on, quickly confirm you've selected the correct versions, especially if your team uploads frequent revisions. With your file selected, click Share. A sharing panel or pop-up will appear with a couple of options. If you already know exactly who should receive these files, enter the recipient's email in the field provided. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to distribute the files more broadly or through another channel, choose Generate Shareable Link. This creates a link that you can distribute to your team or stakeholders as needed. Before sending, check the permissions. If you see options like View or Edit, choose the level that fits your use case. View keeps the content read only, which is great for reviews and approvals. Edit allows recipients to make changes, which is useful for active collaboration. When working with external partners or clients, View is often the safer default unless collaboration is required. When everything looks good, click Send to email the recipient directly, or click Copy Link to place the shareable link on your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into your preferred communication channel. And that's it, your files are shared and accessible according to the permissions you set.